Birthday mo raw.
Greetings! Happy birthday.
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 Don't
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Make it
po.
Brutus. If I'm so beautiful, then
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nag-celebrate kami ng birthday mo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ha?
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Magandang araw mo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Blackpink and Bling. Happy birthday to us.
Blackpink in your area.
Hi, Tita Lisa. Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hello, Tita. Hello, Tita Alisa. Na-surprise ka ba? Alisa, happy birthday from Ate King, Asa, and Kaya, and Kuya Ray. Alisa, welcome sa samahan ng mga trentahin. Kung 30 ka na, huwag ka masyadong magpa-pressure. Enjoy mo lang yung buhay mo kasi 30 is the new 20. Sana matupad mo lahat ng goals mo sa buhay. And masaya ako, nakikita kang masaya. Dasal ko lagi na maging malusog, maging masaya, maging ligtas, maging maganda, maging sexy, at maging mayaman. Yes, manifest. Thank you sa pagiging titang ina sa mga pamangkin mo, sa mga anak ko, kay Kaya and Asa. Kapag nandito ka, inalagaan mo sila. And namimiss na ulit kita makabanding. Pumunta ka na dito ulit. Charis, like, baka kami naman ang pumunta dyan. So, yun. Namimiss ko na yung mga workout natin dati. Tsaka food trip at mga adventure. Tsaka gumala. Pag malaki-laki na sila Kaya, nagala na tayo. Ikaw na ang yaya. Charis! Happy birthday, Tita Alisa! Happy Alisa! Hi! Hi! Hi!
A few moments later.
Hi, Tita. Say hi. Happy birthday. Birthday.
Happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day!
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan na inyong health.
Happy birthday, Alisa! Okay lang na tumanda. Walang kasama. Pagandaan mo lang ang pagtanda mo. Ipon ka. Puntahan mo hanggat kaya. Puntahan mo yung gusto mong puntahan. Hindi ka naka-regret. Ganun ba? Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Alisa. Happy birthday from your Tita Ganda here in Japan. Hope your birthday will be precious and joyful. And I want to say to you that I love you very, very much. Okay, bye-bye. Keep safe always and pray always. Bye.
Ingat lagi. Thank you.
Kuya. Okay.